Okay, now we're gonna add our flours. I have King Arthur high gluten, high protein flour here, bread flour. In the grocery store, it's King Arthur bread flour in the blue bag, and then I have King Arthur whole wheat. So the recipe calls for 600 grams of bread flour and 100 grams of whole wheat. The filtered water we already added, the fed starter we already added, then we're gonna add 18 grams of salt, and then we're gonna mix it, let it stand for 10 minutes covered. So that's gonna give it time for the water and the flour to mingle. So I'm gonna zero out my scale. I'm on grams. I'm gonna put my bowl on here. It's a pretty big bowl, so I just need to be able to see. Now I'm gonna zero it out again, which is called tearing. And we need 600 grams. So I'm gonna take my big flour bucket, come over here. This is why we use the weighing method rather than the measuring method, because like on a day like today, it's pouring rain out. So this flour could have more moisture in it than if it were a dry day. Okay, so we need 600 grams. So I'm getting close. I like to pile my flour in case I need to remove some of it. So try to just put it in a pile. Okay, so there's 605. That's close enough. Great. Now we're gonna get our 100 grams of whole wheat. You can either add or I just like to re-zero it. So I'm gonna put that whole wheat bread on top of that white in case I need to remove some, but I don't need much. I need 100. So I'm just gonna use my hand to measure. That's what it looks like. Keep measuring it on top of itself in case you have to take some out. Yep. So that's 100 almost. Okay, there's 100. Great. Now, about Posey, we're gonna do 18 grams of fine sea salt. Find a brand you like. I like Redmond real salt. That's what this is. So I'm gonna zero it out again. And I'm going to add 18 grams. So I do like to do this by the pinch method as well, because you don't want to just start scooping it in here. You only need 18. 11. Okay, and if you end up with a little extra, that's okay.